pretty much everything in our universe is made of matter. And matter takes many different forms that we call states. Of these states, the most recognizable are solid, liquid, and gas. Pretend that this bottle cap is a molecule. Solids are rigid and closely packed. Liquids are less rigid and flow to fill their space. Gases have no fixed space at all. But most of us already know this. I'm here to talk about the lesser-known forms, unfamiliar states of matter. Often considered the fourth state, plasma isn't nearly as known. Yet, it happens to be the most common of the four. It just happens to be pretty rare on Earth. Plasma forms when a gas is ionized, and its electrons are bumped off, often from heat. But besides plasma, there are over 30 different forms of matter theorized by scientists. To keep things simple, I'll sum up the most proven and fascinating of these states. If you take plasma and get it hot enough, the protons and neutrons literally melt, and the quarks within run free. The gluon part of the name is for the stuff that was holding the quarks together.
Protons, neutrons, electrons too, all made of quarks with gluon glue.
Now, let's flip the temperature scale and check out the coldest state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate, or BEC. BEC is what some call a superatom.
As temperature goes down, the atoms stretch out into a wave-like structure.
Right before reaching absolute zero, which is the coldest possible temperature, the waves overlap and unify. These waves act as one and are barely moving at all.
Theoretically, if you took the universe and put it in a freezer just above absolute zero, it would be one combined superatom. Every point in the universe would be everywhere else at once.
Let's zoom out.
A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive star, condensed into a small radius. They're ultra-dense and form something known as degenerate matter. Ironically, it may share resemblances with both superatoms and Quark-Gluon plasma, but its properties are mostly unknown.
Another mysterious state is known as a time crystal. Crystals, like in diamonds and earrings, form patterns in three-dimensional space. Time crystals, however, also repeat in the fourth dimension, time. Now I know what you're thinking, but this isn't just some time travel pseudoscience.
The crystals are always in a shape they've been in or will be in.
Hopefully, we'll be able to fully understand matter in the future. But for now, much of the matter is a mystery.